This is palabok, a Filipino noodles, a mixture of chicharon and smoked fish. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Mommy D here from Cook with Dionela. Today I'm going to cook Filipino dish. It's very famous in Philippines. We call this palabok. It's a noodles. So yeah, let's get started. Ingredients first, I have tokwa here. And the noodles, white noodles. So I have a big pot here. It's chopped garlic, sliced onion, and the crispy pork, rind. This is chicharon, we call this, and prawns, and dried prawns, of course, for seasoning. And of course, I'm using this malasita. This is not promotion. Yeah, I'm using this. So it will look like this. And top of that, I'm using, we top this with smoked fish plate. So tinapa, we call this tinapa. It's a smoke. It's like a smoked fish, smoked salmon, something like that. But in Philippines, this like sardine fish. Yeah. So this is how it looks like now. It's already deboned, so it's easier to use now. So yeah, let's get started now. And to this, I will add my prawn first. Prawn or shrimp. Okay, our prawns is ready. I'm going to scoop this up. Again, I'm going to saute our onion in. So there you are, the good smell from the garlic and onion. And I will add in my dried prawns. This is to add more flavor. This is more flavorful. Because of the dried prawn, I already soak with water. Yeah, because we know dried prawns is hard, right? So we soak with water. Then I will add our tokwa. Some people doesn't add tokwa, but I do. I do like to put tokwa and substitute to putting flour, you know, to thicken our gravy. But it's form of protein too. So just like this, and into the water. This is the water from the dried prawns. This is more flavorful. So there's many ways of cooking this palabok. Yeah, but I prefer this way. Well, cook for 10 minutes. Okay. As you can see, now this one ready to blend. So before I blend, I'm going to add our palabok mix. So into the water, mix thoroughly. Okay. Then pour in.
So now ready to blend.
Boil.
Going to transfer this into
this all
into
together.
the blender using. I'm using the Thermomix here, so you can use any blender what you have. So yeah, this is very fast and easy. So this is how it looks like now. So it's too thick because I still need to add water to this. So yeah, not so fine. So in my wok, I need to add oil again. Yeah, I just need to stir fry. Just need to toast my tinapa, the smoked fish flakes. Anyway, this is very good already because now they have this. You can buy already this smoked fish flakes, which is you no need to debone, you no need to clean, you no need to take out all the bones. And so easy. So it looks like this. See, just toast for a while, a little bit of oil. So I will have this tinapa. Half is to mix with the sauce and half is to topping on top of the noodles when you serve. So just like this, my own version of Palabok sauce. But believe me, this is very good. This is always requested with my our church friend, to those who try my Palabok before. Yeah, see, it's easy, make my life easy with this ready-made tinapa flakes. And as you can see, half of the smoked fish flakes I mix with sauce. So when pouring the sauce, make sure to keep on stirring, because this Palabok mix is flour, so it will very fast to get sticky. So constant stirring is a must, and then must add water. So I'm going to add the water in here so that I will get the right consistency. Just keep on stirring. Yeah, then I'm going to add in my blended tokwa, my blended ingredients, which is the tokwa and the dried prawns. As you can see, look at this. All the flavor, the goodness is in here. So that's my technique to get that that creamy Palabok sauce. You know, so I don't use flour anymore. So instead of using flour, you can use tokwa if you like. See, as you can see, it's already thickened. So the tokwa is and it's healthier, yeah? And add protein to your noodles. The tokwa, there, So yeah, just keep on stirring. So we don't want to burn it, because the Palabok mixture has a flour, and it will burn very fast if you stop stirring it. So make sure to continue stirring until it become corporate. Oh, after this is very special. I add some what do you call this? I forgot. Oh, saffron. So add saffron to this to add more color and flavor, because I don't think so this Palabok enough color, as I don't have the atsuite. We call this in Philippines, we're using the anato seed to make the color for our food. Yeah, which since I don't have, so I can put a little bit of this saffron, but just a little bit, because this is very expensive. So there you go. This is the consistency that I want. Yeah, not too thick and not too watery. Just nice when you mix with our noodles. You can see all the mixture, all the and this is the pork rind. The chicharon. I will smash this into pieces, and then with egg. So this is very pretty. Oh, I forgot to this one. The prawns, the shrimp, I peel, so the water of the prawns will add this. It's more flavor in here, because just now I lit the prawns, I peel, and then all the drippings. So it's add flavor. So this is how it looks like now. Looks yummy. So this is how I do my chicharon. Just smash this. Anything that you can use. So yeah, how I make my palabok. It's easy, and because I'm using the ready mix, so it's quite easy.
Did you hear that sound? Crispy sound. So, yeah. So, they're going to go up some of the sauce. Because I'm just trying to estimate here. I did not measure the... I did
But before
put
that, I
the
scoop up first some of this
3
gravy.
kg of noodles.
just
So,
in
the sauce
case.
is too much for the
Too
3
much?
kg. So, I scoop
So,
up
and I
some.
would like to put
So, it's too dry. And then I can
gravy on top.
add some more.
So
But
that's the reason why I
this
scoop
much
some of the gravy.
is enough for the 3 kg
So yeah,
noodles.
I'm going to add the
So,
noodles now.
we're having a
So now I'm going to put the
Party.
noodles. So
this is
let me take
requested by
another-
mga alaga.
Okay, noodles in.
Palabok Filipino style. So
So we use this noodles.
I'm putting the noodles
for
now
palabok
here.
or bihon.
So the noodles I already soaked with hot water. As you can see, so this noodles already cooked. So it won't absorb that much
Okay, now let me
gravy or that much
mix for a
sauce.
while. See?
So just right.
Just nice with all the
I
gravy.
did some they could use bihon.
So this is my palabok.
Okay, so just like this.
Okay.
Mix it well
Filipino palabok.
to incorporate
Filipino
all the
noodles.
gravy, all the sauce into
They have
each
palabok with
piece of
Jollibee
noodles.
too.
Yummy,
But I don't
yummy,
really
yummy. So yeah,
support
we're
that.
almost done.
So, yeah. Okay. Palabok is almost done. So, our palabok is done. So, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Anyway, this is not a cooking school again. So, you can cook also whatever you want to cook. So, yeah. God bless. So, our palabok is done. So, this is my Filipino noodles. The center is the pork chicharon.